I'm doing a lot of companion planting with my gardening. So today I'm getting ready to take these peas that are finished. They finished in my eyes. And since they are nitrogen fixers, I am going to bend these down and just let them stay as like a mulch. Try not to mash nothing else because I got so much stuff in here. Is this corn or is this something else? This might be some corn. I can't mess with this. I don't know. It might be weed. I'll check it out in a minute. So in this bed, I have peas, sugar snow peas. They finished. That's these plants. They looking pretty bad. This one can stay. That one can stay. But they was already starting to die out. They be like the first thing to die off because of all this heat. And I have some beans in here. I have a squash in here. I have a couple of squash in here. I covered the squash itself, the leaves, but I tried to keep the flowers open so they could pollinate. Where they at? They down here. So I have yellow squash. I have a butternut squash right here, I think. I have beans. And I need to harvest these because it's getting time for these. Oh no, I'm doing too much, too fast. They ain't ready. Those other ones on the other side was ready. Yeah, they definitely not ready. I got some basil in there. I got corn in there. I got some more herbs down in there. Nasturtium down in there. Trying to work this companion planting thing out. Over here, I think this is a bee balm. I did this to have a pollinator over here. I have a squash right there. There's another squash somewhere in here. All these are beans, bush beans. And I just saw a lot of beans over here, so I need to get them. There's a lot of them over here. And I planted yellow and purple beans, wax beans. See, stuff like this. This is definitely ready. Because I don't like them to get too big to be like beans. I want them to be string beans, not beans that I got to shell. Or hard, big old beans. Sorry about the angles. I'm looking at these beans instead of looking at this camera. And so right now I'm just going through cleaning up a little bit. But I just wanted to show y'all how you can fit a lot in a little space. I know I put at least about 9, because I thought of this as square foot gardening in a small space. So in every foot, I did whatever it calls for square foot gardening. So I think it's 9 bush beans per square foot. That's what I did. And I know I have like, depending on which bed it is, I mix onions and peppers and everything. I mean onions and garlic. But I don't think I had to actually take the onions out of here because they shouldn't be near the beans or peas. And over here I have tomatoes. So I'm using this string method. And as the tomatoes grow, I clip this little clip onto the string and then I clip it around the tomato. And as it'll grow, it'll hold it up straight. And this is adjustable. And that'll let me when the tomato get too tall for this, I can loosen it up some and the tomato will kind of arch. Let me see. Arch like that. You know, you can let down the height of it so you can reach the tomatoes that you're trying to get to. I got onions down in here. Basil. Y'all remember that grocery store basil I bought? All that basil around here everywhere. All that cilantro is too. I have bee balm in this bed. This right here, if it ever grow, I don't know if my seeds might didn't germinate, but I have a cucumber, the pickling cucumber, to come up this vine. And there's some peppers in here. Oh, here's a pepper. And I know it's more than that pepper. I think that's carrots. A little nasturtium, some zinnias right here. And over here, if these cucumbers ever grow, I have the dill. The dill is ready. The dill doing what it's supposed to do. The cucumbers didn't even come up. Is that a cucumber? You need to stop. So it's safe to say I need to go get some fresh cucumber seeds because these didn't work. I know they old. I haven't gotten none of them in a while. I can pull some of these leaves out. But yeah, this is some more of that grocery store basil I had. A lot of this stuff is getting old. It's time to like swap out. Oh, Mater. I see Mater down here. Go ahead on. Yeah, do your thing, shorty. I ain't even mad at you. And those are just flowers just to bring some bees and stuff around. And this over here is like one cherry tomato, black creme tomato, and a big fat tomato. Those over there are aromas. I love aromas, so I have like 5 of those. And I have some, where is it? Some basil down up in there. Carrots, chives, onions on both sides. Is that some more basil? Probably some more basil right there, or either a flower. That might be zinnia. This bee balm. This not the tomato. This a bee balm. This a pollinator. And what the hell is this? Oh, this is going to. I think this is a marigold. This must be a tall one. I thought I put short ones out here. Peach tree. I put a bee balm in there with it. Some garlic down there. I like to put garlic at the base of my fruit trees. Garlic or onions. But really garlic. And just chill out. Ooh. Come here. Where the rest of y'all at? So anyway, yeah, I was just showing y'all what I was doing today. A little something, but so far so good. This companion planting is really doing good for me because let me tell you how bugs around here are real bad, and it's real humid too, and it seems like it's always just something. So the drip irrigation is doing pretty good. I don't have to come out here watering all the time. And this companion planting seems to be working because the bugs ain't tearing my stuff up this time. Even the squash over there are doing good. So I don't want to speak too soon. Oh yeah, and this is zucchini, but he looking crazy. I don't know what's up with Zuki over here. This is a perennial sunflower, and I can't wait to see what it look like. It's going to have a bunch of small heads. It's sort of like daisy-like flowers, but it comes back every year in my area, zone 8B. Try to have the type of space that everything come back and take care of itself. Because, you know, we work smart, not hard. Anybody trying to do all that now? These peppers over here. Ooh, the zinnia about to do something. The pepper's the slowest thing to grow, but it's good and hot now, so it's about to do something. They about to jump off. But, ooh, Lord, what is this? Ooh. Go ahead on with that. I have to figure out what's up with you. But I know I got shishito peppers and sweet peppers over here. I think it's a banana pepper over here too. This is like the little pepper bed. And this gets sun for the longest time of the day. So I decided they would go over here. And the sun is not shining right now, but there goes my little fountain. So that's that. Grow you some food. We all gotta eat.